Hello everybody, welcome back to CryptoMaths channel. In today's video we will talk about Zealy platform. We will look how to use it and how to earn money with it. Before we begin, please remember that I am not a financial advisor and this video is for informational purposes only. You should always do your research and invest at your own risk. And if you enjoy my reviews, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for more crypto related content. So, Zealy. If you are looking for a way to engage with various projects, earn rewards and boost your involvement in the crypto world, then Zealy is worth your attention. As you can see, we are on Zealy's official website at zealy.io. Zealy is a versatile platform where companies can post projects and activities to attract new users to their communities. Users, in turn, can participate in these activities, earn rewards, and potentially profit from their involvement. Let's start by exploring the platform. Here on the main page, you can immediately search for specific companies or projects if you already know their names. For example, if you are familiar with a project, you can type its name and start engaging right away. Scrolling down, we see various companies that are already active on Zealy. These projects range from those simply encouraging activity to those offering substantial rewards. Some rewards can be as high as $100, $500, or even $1,000, while others might be smaller amounts like $10, $15, which still add up over time. Zealy offers several filters to help you find the projects that interest you. You can filter by new, promoted, upcoming, and trending projects. There's also a category filter, which makes it easy to find projects related to education, gaming, and of course more. Let's take a closer look at one of the trending projects. Here we have Orderly Network. Although the rewards might be no massive, completing these tasks can still be worthwhile. For instance, you might earn $10, $15 for simple activities like subscribing to their Twitter account or joining Twitter community or simply referring a friend. Before you start doing the tasks here, let's create an account on Zealy to start earning XP. On the top we have Connect to Zealy. Just provide your email, answer some questions about your interests on Zealy, and join some communities to get started. Okay, I'm already logged in, and now let's do some tasks. All tasks are divided in categories like Getting Started, Twitter, Contributor, and many more. These projects offer various tasks like retweeting posts, joining the Discord, and completing quizzes. Some of the tasks are locked and will be unlocked when you do previous tasks. Each task has a specific reward attached. For instance, following on Twitter might earn you 5 XP, joining on their Discord could get you another 5 XP, and inviting 10 friends to join the community will earn you 50 XP. Those XP points are crucial as they help you to climb the leaderboard and unlock additional rewards. Let's complete the first tasks, following their Twitter account. You will need to connect Ethereum wallet to collect future rewards, connect your Discord and Twitter accounts on the first screen. I've already done that during my participation in other projects on Zealy, so now it's not showing me this, but if you just created an account, you will need to do that. Now, the only thing what's left is hit follow button. We will be redirected to the X. Hit follow there. Now we can close this tab. We are back on Zealy and hit the climb button. And that's it. Task done. Back to the project. we can see that the task we completed disappeared from the list, and in the section header, we see that we completed one of the 11 tasks. This helps you stay organized and monitor your progress across different projects. Now, let me show you the leaderboard and explain its significance. The leaderboard is crucial for part of Zealy. It displays the most active users, who often get noticed by project teams. Being on the leaderboard can increase your chances of receiving additional rewards and recognition within the community. Being at the top of the leaderboard isn't just about bragging rights. Top users often get exclusive rewards, early access to new projects, and sometimes even direct communication with project developers. This can be a significant advantage, especially in the fast-paced world of crypto. In the bottom left corner, you have your account name. If you click it, you will be redirected to the Activities page. Here you can see a list of my completed tasks. Each task shows the rewards earned, whether it's XP, tokens, or other prizes. This transparency helps you understand your progress and motivates you to keep participating. Zealy allows you to create your own community. If you have Web3 project, you can set up community on Zealy, invite users and engage them through various activities. This is a great way to build a loyal user base and promote your project. Some successful communities on Zealy have thousands of active members, all participating in tasks and earning rewards. This kind of engagement is invaluable for any project looking to grow its user base and increase visibility. In the settings, you can customize your profile, add your social media accounts that you will need to participate in various tasks, and link additional wallets. This ensures that all your activities and rewards are consolidated in one place. Zealy also prioritizes security. If you encounter any suspicious activity or believe a project is a scam, you can report it. Zealy takes these reports seriously and will investigate to ensure the platform remains safe and trustworthy. If you ever need assistance, the Help Center is readily available. It offers guides, facts, and direct support to help you navigate any issues you might encounter. Additionally, Zealy's user interface is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy for both beginners and experienced users to navigate the platform and participate in activities. So, now here are some advanced tips to maximize your experience on Zealy. First, always check for new and trending projects. These often have the most lucrative rewards and highest engagement. For example, a recent project will distribute 1 million USDT in rewards for completing a series of tasks. By staying active and checking regularly, you can capitalize on these opportunities. Second, join the community Telegram chats and Discord forums. Engaging with other users can provide valuable insights and tips on how to complete tasks more efficiently and discover hidden opportunities. So, that was a comprehensive look at Zealy. It's a powerful platform for both users and projects, offering numerous ways to engage, earn, and grow in the crypto space. Make sure to check out the links in the description to start exploring Zealy today. I hope you found this review helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to CryptoMats for more crypto content. Until next time, happy trading!